his father has a full beard. Unfortunately, his beard didn't grow like his father. He is here at Glomac here today to do a beard hair transplant with a smart FUE technique. Today is day 1 after the beard hair transplant which we did yesterday for the design that the patient wanted since when he is young. Looking at his father, he has beard. Now he wants to have a beard too. The graft is already been filled up in all the design area. Today is day 1. We can see the graft. This is in the cybern area. This is the angle mandible. This is the jawline, and the upper part, the graft is placed in such a way to give him a soft look. Now this is on the right side, the goatee connecting to the beard. This is the moustache, this is the phytrum. This is on the left moustache, less on the left goatee, the beard, and we connected the beard to below the lower lip. It looks like a Y. This is the Y area, and this is the other part of the beard. You can see all the graft is intact. There's no bleeding. There's a bit swelling, will subside by today or tomorrow, and all the graft in place in the right angle, direction, and the density to give him a full beard like his father.
Okay, everything went well. Just one word: awesome. Okay, thanks to Professor Dr. Jas and the team. Thank you, Glomac.